Hey there, folks. Back again, here to talk about A+ content. Today we're going to go over the author information blocks here. This is an example of one I just did. You can see a picture and the reviews and that kind of thing. It was based on this example that was given by, you can see it here, A+ content examples. If you want to go look at those, you can go to marketing and distribution. This is in your KDP help topics. Marketing and distribution, A+ content examples. We've gone over this before because we did this in the last video. If you want to learn how to do this, there is a video here on my playlist. Sorry, I've been doing so many videos. My voice is done. So I'm going to do my best. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is, just like before, we're going to go to our whatever book you want, and you're going to click promote and advertise. Scroll. This is all the stuff that's always been there before, but now we're going to scroll down to A+ content. Choose your marketplace. Now keep in mind you have to add every single marketplace separately. So unfortunately there's no batch add. I can't wait for that to happen. We're going to use Amazon.com this time. Manage A+ content. My goodness gracious. Okay. Now we are going to click start creating A+ content. Okay. Now we're going to just type testing. Clearly we've done this before. Now when you add your module, you want to add the module of whatever you're going to be putting on top first. So we want the standard image and dark text overlay, or the standard image and light text overlay. Either way, it doesn't matter because you're not going to be adding this text. The next thing you're going to add, and this is pretty easy because it's one module, is this standard single image and sidebar. And you can see here that it gives you the two options for your images and all of this space for your text. So we're going to start here at the top first, and just like with the other ones, you're just going to add, I'm going to just grab this stuff that I've put in this file, and we're going to put test. You can really put anything here. I just have this banner that's kind of similar to what we got going on here for an example. Now here you're going to add, you can add your headshot or even maybe a logo, just something that you feel like represents the information that you want to put out there in this. Your image keywords, remember, are your alternate words. That is for people who are using screen readers who have a hard time seeing or are blind, so they're not going to see your picture. They're going to see these words that are there. So try to describe it as best you can. And then this is your caption. I'm going to show you here what it looks like. Here, Michelle used her name. I don't know if this is a real author or not. I'll have to look her up. You can see I used my name right here too. Now we're going to put me. And then now we're going to move on to the headline. And you can put your headline however you want. You can see here that it is, again, her name and then her accolades, which looks like USA Today bestselling author. That's cool. So here we're going to put, again, our name is Mimi and cool person because, you know, we're all cool people. So here's your body text. I'm going to show you the example again. She used her bio. Whoops. Also bio. I think that that's a great way to do it. They are calling those author detail page. So I think that this is a really good explanation for what this is. The other books that she has are here. More books in this particular series are here. And some of the reviews are here. Now, if you go to the content guidelines, make sure that you follow along with what they say because it will be kicked back if you don't. And the important things that you need to know, some of them are pretty obvious, but now I'm going to have to find it. So image and text formatting, of course, that's important. Your claims and awards. Now, here's where they're going to get you, is that they have to be substantiated by a note in the text with clarifying or awarding body, or clarifying, I'm sorry, with certifying or awarding body. study publication or other evidence, and year. So you got to make sure you use the year. And here it says, do not mention awards received more than 2 years ago. Up here where it talks about customer reviews, it says that they do not allow regular old customer reviews in your A+ content. You have to have, oh, where does it say it? Right here. It says a maximum of 4 quotes or endorsements are allowed. Quotes should be only from a well-known publications or public figures and must be accompanied by the author, and if citing a publication, the title. So you can see here she's done that. These are the people who have left those reviews, and very similarly, I have that same information here. So here we're going to put bio all about me, and of course yours is going to be long, however long you want it. Just keep in mind that's going to make that space longer or shorter. Now the bullet points, you can add anything you want here, other books that are about you, other things that you do. So we're going to just put, this is a book 1, and we're going to add this bullet point, and we'll say, whoops, book 2, book 3, blah, blah, blah. You get the idea. So now the question is, how do we get this right here, right? This bold text, right? So you're just going to go down to the next line, bold, and you're going to write something cool right here. So whatever you need to explain whatever's below here, this is exactly how you do it. You can also, it's got bullet points and list numbers if you want to add those in here too. So now this is a great little spot that you can put some kind of little advertisement or information about the book. I used this. One thing I have to say is that oftentimes they won't just let you put up a picture or text. They want it to have like an image on it. So something I had submitted previously got kicked back because it didn't have an image, and I just added something like this to it and it was fine. So again, don't forget your alternate words. And then that's going to pop up there, and then you're going to have your headline. So that's the bold text information that's right here. We're just going to put something. And then here is where you can include anything about this thing. So whatever you've got up here, whatever image you're using up there, put information about that here, like your reviews, even like a little blurb or something in this area. So we're going to put just text there so we can see what it looks like. And then your bullet text point. So Michelle Pillow included Second Chance Magic, Third Time's a Charm, yada, yada, yada. And these are the books in this Aura of Magic series, which is clever. Very smart to put that there. Now, this is a standalone. So I utilized this area to add the awards that has, or the accolades that have been granted to this book. Now this is on, you can see it's on Amazon. This has all been approved already. So everything you see here is possible. Just make sure that you add these dates, just the year is fine. And then whoever put that out. Okay. So we're going to put here review or award, and maybe another one, award, whoops. Okay, so you get the general idea. Now, if you wanted to add something here below here, you can totally do that. You can see I put this down here at the bottom, and I have this on the top, and then I got this. This is the one that was kicked back because this wasn't on there. It was just the text. I added that, and it was no problem. So you can only have 5 as the max modules, and this would be 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you wanted to add more below this, you absolutely could. So far, that's only 2. So you've got 3 more spaces below that. Okay. So this is generally just how you set up exactly what you're seeing on this example here from A+ content or through KDP. So then you're just going to click apply ASINs. I don't think I have one in my thing. So we're just going to grab it from here and paste, and then it'll pop up with what you want to add it to. And it should be adding it to, actually, let me double check here. Oh, no, I'm sorry. One thing I should tell you is if you want to add it to your hardcover and paperback, those have to be published through KDP. If they're published through somewhere else, then you cannot add them here. Unfortunately, it does not cross over. But I would like to point out that KDP does have beta hardbacks right now, and I'm really excited to get some work doing that because I really enjoyed doing hardbacks through Ingram. The only thing though is that currently KDP is not offering desk jackets, so it's only just the wrapped, which is fine. But if you go through them for your printing books, then or your printed books, then this would all be applied to all of the product pages you can see here at Parent oh my goodness, ASIN. There we go. So we're going to click apply content. Ignore this because I've already got stuff there. And then review and submit. Now I can tell you 100% that this isn't going to change anything because I've tried this multiple times. You can save this as a draft. You can go back to change some stuff, or you can cancel it. You can also remove anything you want. So we're going to go review and submit. And then you can see here how that's going to look. So you can see all the information we added here. Of course, yours is going to be a lot more. This is what it looks like on mobile. So there you go. That's it. And the next thing you're going to do is submit for approval, which I'm not going to do because that is your last step. And when I submitted this, it took 30 minutes. Previously, I've had it take a couple of days. So, I mean, it really just depends on your, what length of straw you draw, I guess. So if you have any questions, if you want specific information about other things, if you have any ideas for other videos, I would love to hear them. Please leave them down in the comments. Please make sure that you share this information as far and wide as you can. This is brand new stuff, and I know a lot of people are trying to figure out how to use it. It is very easy, but seems kind of intimidating at first. If you need any help, please visit me at www.rmgraphics.com, and I will be happy to give you some help and work together, create imaging. If you're ready to get your hardback going, I'm so excited to do that. Whatever you need, just get a hold of me. I'm here. Thank you for watching and good luck.